Chairman, Varun Group, good friend of mine, V. Prabhu Kishore Garu, Srimati V. Lakshmi Garu, who is the financer of this group, V. Respected V. Prabhu Prasad Garu, Srimati Jogalamba Garu, MD Maruti Suzuki India Limited, Takayuchi San Garu. Even for me, financial security is my wife. I have to mention her name, otherwise you won't give money for me also. She is I am the chief minister outside, but everybody needs some security, financial security. That security she will provide for me. That is the safest security for me, so that I can do my job with utmost efficiently and also integrity. Andariki namaskaralu. Wonderful evening. Today Dasara, first day. Prabhu Kishore birthday. And also super GST, super savings, boost for automobile. All automobile giants are here. This is a very good experience. ఒక ఆర్గనైజేషన్ 75 ఏళ్ళు ప్రస్థానం. ఒక టైమే కాకుండా ఒక అచీవ్మెంట్ మీరు చూస్తే